Man, look.
Duh.
This the nigga Crabbo right here, man. 1700. I don't even rap, but my man Dre done gassed me up tonight, got me feeling a little frost. So I'm gonna spit something for the hood, man. So y'all motherfuckers don't know.
She right here, my nigga.
She right here.
Go ahead and do what you do, homie.
Right here, yo. And yo. 1700 is where this shit started at. Niggas, bitches, they old like starter cats, like fucking me. Ain't never had a fucking key, been knee deep since 3 in the fucking streets. Niggas don't want none, they better get heaters. You know, Crab Town, stalk you like a heat seeker, lay in your bushes. Niggas soft like dishes, or fucking salty. Get them drunk like a fucking multi, a fucking bear. And niggas got fucking fear for Crabbo, cause they know I got that fucking blow, that fucking banger. I hang them like a fucking hanger. I got that banger. Niggas snitching fucking singers like fucking background. I got the fucking pound. Dre right here, you know how he gets down. The motherfucking snake, he ain't no fucking fake. He gets drunk, fucking stinking like a fucking skunk. But I'ma get back to this G shit. You know me, I ain't gonna spit that fucking key shit. I'ma spit the Rilla, that fucking Gorilla. Crab Town, bang bang, fucking Gorilla. I'm out fucking here, 1700. Niggas must don't fucking know how we do up in this motherfucking village. Niggas don't know up in the gas, blood spillage. We fucking killers. We rob the motherfucking pillage. We drug dealers. Ain't done, we fucking killers. I'm on my shit. Niggas got the Biggie beat. I speed it up. You know I got the fucking heat. I got it going. Steady motherfucking flowing. Cause this a fucking Samoan, a fucking Alaska. Niggas harass her. I cock back to your head, fucking blast her. I'm on shit. 1700 shit. I don't rap, but every time I spit a fucking rip, I fucking flow. Do my motherfucking thing. My niggas hands ring. I'm all in sing. I'm in that head. Cold fucking dread. I gotta get that hard, boy, I fucking cut it off. Fuck niggas. Fuck the motherfucking half. Niggas don't want none. I want motherfucking half. Or I'm a fucking blast. Give me that fucking cash. Keep your door down with the motherfucking pound. You niggas fucking soft. I goes fucking hard. 1700. Leave you niggas scarred. Straight across your gut or your motherfucking face. You know me. I keep it hot like them fucking mace. Or some fucking mace. All up in your fucking eyes. You niggas back the fuck up before I fucking fry your whole neighborhood. You niggas know good. I do my fucking thing all up in the motherfucking bing. Niggas know me, fucking Crab Town. I switch the flow up right fucking now. When you want it, I motherfucking flaunt it. Nothing. You niggas motherfucking bluffing. I should fucking blast. You niggas in your head. You know me. I never rock the motherfucking red. But it's Friday, so I'ma kick back. You know Crab, Gorilla, rock the fucking black. 276, I leave you niggas stiff like some fucking sticks. I ball like fucking sticks, not on the fucking court. I play it like a sport. Dre, I'm gone.